Have you ever thought you can send messages to multiple people on WhatsApp at the same time without manually texting each other? Well, imagine this. This is my Google Sheet. These all my candidate record and I want to send a hiring alert message to every single person here. But instead of messaging one by one with just one click, a broadcast message goes to all the contacts instantly and that will be personalized with their names. Sounds powerful, right? So yes, today I am going to show you exactly how to do this using WhatsApp broadcast automation with Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, you will learn how to send bulk WhatsApp messages in one click, how to personalize each message automatically, how to upload contacts from spreadsheet, and how to automate hiring alerts or any bulk communication. So make sure you watch this video till the end. So without wasting any time, let's start building this WhatsApp broadcast automation step by step. So let me quickly tell you why I personally use Pabbly Chatflow, because it is the official WhatsApp API based system, and with the help of this you can send bulk messages with personalization and no manual effort is required. The template message is approved by Meta and you can schedule the message anytime. That works for marketing, hiring and updates reminder. And the best part, you can automate your entire business communication on WhatsApp. Now let's jump into the setup. At first, open your browser and search for pabbly.com/chatflow and you will land on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you will see two options, sign in and sign up free. If you are new to Pabbly, then you will click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits every month to explore the software. And if you are an existing user, then you will click on the sign in option. But before doing the sign-in process, I have something extremely valuable for you. If you also want to create this type of amazing broadcast for your own business, then go and purchase Pabbly tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. You have worked hard to build your business. Now let Pabbly handle repetitive works for you so you can focus on the real growth instead of manual tasks. Here, after doing the sign-in process, you will see all Pabbly apps where you have to go in this Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on this Access Now button, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can add and manage all of your WhatsApp number in one place. You can also add your WhatsApp number inside your Pabbly Chatflow account by clicking on this plus add WhatsApp number button, and you will see two connection methods. Choose any of the method and connect your WhatsApp number. We have already created a detailed video of how you can connect your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account. Check the description below for the video link. Once the number is connected, you are ready to send messages. Now on the left hand side, you will see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow where you have to go in this broadcast feature, and then you will come in this page, that is Pabbly Chatflow broadcast page. Broadcast is the powerful feature that allows you to send a single message to multiple users at the same time without creating groups. This is specially used for businesses because you can send updates like hiring alerts, offers, reminders or announcement to hundreds or even thousands of contacts in just one click. And with Pabbly Chatflow, you can even personalize the message completely based on the each user. Now just click on this plus add broadcast button. And at first you have to select the broadcast type that I am selecting as broadcast campaign. Next you have to give the name to your broadcast that I am entering as hiring alert. After that, the contact list. So to send a broadcast message, you first need to add your contacts into your Pabbly Chatflow account. Now I am going to explain you how you can add your contacts in your Pabbly Chatflow account. So for that, you have to go in this contacts feature. I am opening this in a new tab. In order to add contacts, you have to click on this plus add contacts. You can add contacts either manually, means adding one by one contact at a time, or in bulk too. After that, you have to upload a file containing all your contact details like name and phone number in the CSV format. Once you enter all of your users' name and contact number inside your spreadsheet, you have to click on this files option. After that, download this file in CSV format. Until the file gets downloaded, I want you to know that the file size limit is 50 MB and you can add maximum of 2 lakhs contacts. So for uploading contacts, you have to click on this option. After that, click on this upload file. Next, just drag and drop this file. After that, click on this upload file and select it from here, and then click on this insert button. And once you do this, you have to click on this plus add contact button, and this is how easily you can upload the bulk contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. You can also make a contact list by clicking on this plus option. I have already created one list by the name of new list where I added only 35 contacts. Now we will go back to our setup. After that, you have to select the message type. It will provide you two options, that is pre-approved template message and regular message. You can send a regular message by selecting this option and select the message type from here and enter the message content in this field. But I refer you to select message type as pre-approved template message because these templates are approved by Meta and it can follow all the WhatsApp guidelines. After that, you have to select the template from here by clicking on this option. Here I am sending a hiring update template, so I am selecting this. This is the template that I have already designed before. See, this is the template that I want to send to all of my contacts. Here I have entered this dollar symbol name because it acts as a dynamic variable, not a fixed text. It tells Pabbly Chatflow to replace it with each user's contact's actual name. When sending broadcast message, the system picks the name from the contact list like Aravria and mentioned it here, so every user gets a personalized message automatically. So this is how it works. After that, I will click on this done button and see the template is uploaded successfully. Now I am going to explain you from where you can create this template. So for that, you have to go in this template feature. See, this is the page where you can design multiple types of WhatsApp templates for your different type of businesses. It is a predefined message that is approved by Meta. Here I have already created some templates by the name of new property launch, Visa Pay payment, new arrivals, and this is the hiring update template that I want to share to all of my users. For creating a new template, you have to click on this plus add template button. We have already created a separate video of how you can create a template inside Pabbly Chatflow. Check the description below for the video link. After designing and uploading the template, I am moving forward to the next one where you have to enter the username that I am entering as test user. Now I am going to do the testing of this broadcast message, that it is sending to the users or not, by entering my number manually. After entering the number, I am clicking on the send test message button and see it says that test broadcast sent, and immediately I received a message in my WhatsApp business account that includes my name as a test user and all the details that I have entered in this template message. This means that till now our WhatsApp broadcast setup is working perfectly. Now I am moving forward to the next one, that is schedule broadcast. You can schedule the broadcast for later as well as send instantly. I am scheduling the broadcast for later, so I am selecting this option. After that, I am selecting the date and time from here. Let's say I want to schedule this broadcast for 11th of April and the timing I am setting as 5 p.m. After that, I will click on this OK button. See, on this date at that time, this broadcast message is going to be sent all the users that are present inside this contact list. After that, I will click on this plus add broadcast button and see it says that broadcast created successfully, and here it is scheduled it too. You can also view the stats of your broadcast by clicking on this view stats button and also export the report by clicking on this button. You will see all the status, that is sent, delivered, read, pending, ignored from here, and you can also resend the broadcast to failed contacts by here. So this is how easily you can do the WhatsApp broadcast message setup by using Pabbly Chatflow. Trust me, this is the best and the safest tool I have ever used. So what are you waiting for? Go and purchase this amazing tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.